Hi students, today in this video let's see the first algebraic method, substitution method. In this method there are three main steps. Step 1 is find the value of one variable in terms of the other variable. That means, for example, we can say that find the value of y in terms of x. Clear? From either of the equation, because we will be having two equations, from equation 1 or equation 2. We can find the value of one variable in terms of the another variable. It can be x in terms of y or it can be y in terms of x. No problem. Then the second step is that substitute the value of that y. If it is written y in terms of x, then substitute the value of y in the second equation or the other equation. If we have written from equation number 1, then we have to substitute in equation number 2. And reduce into an equation in one variable. So after solving, we will get an equation one variable, that is in terms of x. Solve it. We will get the value of x. Once we get the value of x, we proceed with the step 3, that is substitute the value of x. So if we have written the value of y in terms of x in step 1, then we will get the value of x in the step 2. Then substitute the value of x obtained in step 2. We have got the value of x in the step 2 in the equation used in step 1. After finding the value of one variable in terms of another, we will be having the third equation. Then we substitute the value of x obtained in this step 2 in the equation obtained in step 1 to get the second variable, that is y. Clear? So don't worry about these steps. We will take the examples. We will discuss the questions from exercise 3.3 by using substitution method. So we'll be having clear idea about this one. Okay. So let's start with that one. Question number 1, option number 1, x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4. This is equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we are going to solve this question by substitution method. So first step 1. Okay, listen carefully. Even if you didn't understand the steps we have discussed in the introduction part, no matter, you have to remember only how to solve the question. In first step, we are going to write one variable in terms of another. Either we can write x in terms of y or y in terms of x. From either of the equation, that means either from equation number 1 or equation number 2. So here I am choosing equation number 2 because while we choosing the equation, which one is the convenient one, we have to go for that one. So x, we are writing from equation 2, we have x is equal to 4, take this minus y to right side, okay, take this minus y to right side, so we will get a plus y, equation number 3. So now we have written x in terms of y, that is equation number 3, okay. So this is the first step. Either you can write from equation number 2 or equation number 1. So here I have written from equation number 2. Now what is the second step? In step 2, substituting for x in equation 1, that is the second step, because we have written the value of the x in terms of y from equation number 2, so we are not supposed to substitute again in the equation number 2. We have to substitute in the other equation, that is here, that is equation number 1. So to get what is equation number 1, this is x. Substituting for this x from equation number 3, that is 4 plus y. 4 plus y plus, then here y is there. Y is equal to 14. Simplified, 4 plus 2y is equal to 14. Now we have got an equation in one variable, that is in terms of y. Now solve this one. That implies, here also implies, okay, implies 2y is equal to 14. This plus 4 take into right side, it will be minus 4. So that implies y is equal to 14 minus 4 is equal to 10, and into 2 will be divided by 2, which is equal to 5. 5. So we have got the value of one variable, that is y equal to 5. Now we need to proceed with the step 3 to get the value of x. So in step 3, substituting for y in equation, in which equation we will substitute? In equation number 3, because that is already in terms of x. Clear? Equation 3 to get, what will we get? X equal to 4 plus, what is the value of y? Value of y we already got, that is 5. Clear? That is 5. So 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. Therefore the solution is equal to, solution x equal to 9 and y equal to 5. That is the solution of this equation. The steps we have discussed in the introduction part, never mind it, just to go through the example and try to understand how to solve the question by using substitution method. Let's take some more options from the same question. Question number 1, option number 2. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. So here from equation of step 1, from equation 1 we have I'm going to write s in terms of t from equation number 1. S equal to 3, take this minus t to right side, it will be plus 3, sorry, plus t. Okay, equation number 3. Why I choose this equation number 1? Because here equation number 1 is in simpler form, it does not consist of any fractions. So this is the most convenient one, so I have taken from equation number 1. You can also take from equation number 2, but it will be a little complex one. So which one is the most convenient one according to you? Choose that equation to obtain value of one variable in terms of another. So now step 1 is over. Now we proceed with step 2. So substituting for s in equation number 2, because we have written s in terms of t from equation number 1, so we are not supposed to substitute in the equation number 1 itself. Okay, we need to substitute in the other equation, that is in equation number 2, to get what is the value of s according to this 3 plus t. Okay, s equal to 3 plus t divided by 3. Now the remaining terms are same, plus t by 2, which is equal to 6. Now as it consists of fraction, take the LCM. So what we will get here, we multiply it by 2, so that implies 2 into 3 plus t plus 3 into t divided by 3 into 2, LCM is 6, which is equal to 6 over. Now simplify it, 2 into 3, now to simplify it, 2 into 3 is equal to 6 plus 2 into t is equal to 2t plus 3t, which is equal to 6. This denominator 6 we are going to take into right side, so it will be into 6. Now 2t plus 3t is equal to 5t plus 6. This 6 we are writing here, which is equal to 36. That implies 5t is equal to 36. Now this 6 taken into right side will be minus 6. That implies t is equal to, now 36 minus 36 is equal to 30, and this 5 taken here, it will be on denominator. So 30 divided by 5 is equal to 6. So the value of t is equal to 6. We have got the value of one variable. Now we need to proceed with the step 3. So in step 3, what we need to do? Substituting for t in equation 3, because we have already written equation s in terms of t here, so just to substitute that one to get the value of s. So we get s equal to 3 plus what is the value of t? Here we got 6, am I right? 6, which is equal to 9. So the solution is, therefore solution s equal to 9 and t is equal to 6. I am taking one more option from the same question. So this is equation number 1, equation number 2, okay, question number 1, option number 5. So right, first step, from equation 2 we have, I am choosing here equation number 2, root 3x minus root 8y will become plus root 8y. Plus 0 is there, no need to mind it. So that implies x is equal to root 8 y divided by root 3. So now we have written x in terms of y, that is equation number 3. Now proceed with the second step. So substituting for x in equation 1, because we have written the value of x in from equation number 2, so we have to substitute in equation number 1 to get what is the equation number 1 here? Root 2 into, in place of x we have to substitute the value which we obtained in equation number 3, that is root 8 y divided by root 3, okay, plus root 3 y is equal to 0. Simplified, y is common in both the term, take it outside, y into root 2 into root 8 is equal to root 16 divided by root 3 plus root 3, okay, y is already taken, which is equal to 0. Y is common, that is taken, and root 2 into root 8 is root 16 divided by root 3, and root 3 is remaining here. Okay, that implies y is equal to 0 divided by, this take into right side, will be divided by root 16 divided by root 3 plus root 3, which is equal to 0. 0 by any number, that is 0. So now we have got, that is y equal to 0. First value we got. The value of y we got. Now proceed with step 3, substituting for y in equation 3. This is the equation 3. To get what is the value of x? Root 8 divided by root 3. Root 8 divided by root 3 into y is 0, which is equal to 0. 0 into any number is also 0. So the solution is x equal to 0 as well as y equal to 0. Clear? Very simple one. Okay. Question number 2. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So here 2x plus 3y is equal to 11. This is the equation number 1. 2x plus 3y is equal to 11, equation number 1, and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, equation number 2. In step 1 I am going to take equation number 2. So from equation 2 we have 2x is equal to minus 24, then minus 4y take into right side, it will become plus 4y. That implies x is equal to minus 24 plus 4y, we can write in 4y minus 24. No problem, because we write term first positive term, then second negative term. Then this 2 will become on denominator 2. 2 is a common factor, so cancel it. What will get? 4y divided by 2 will be 2y minus 24 divided by 2 is 12. So x equal to 2y minus 12. Equation number 3. We are not supposed to divide only one term on the numerator with the denominator. All the terms should be divided with the denominator. Clear? Otherwise, the value will be wrong. Now we have got the equation number 3. Step 1 is over. Now proceed with step 2. So substituting for x in equation number 1, because we have written a value of x from equation number 2. So we are supposed to substitute the value of x in equation number 1. So to get what will we get here? 2x. This is the equation. 2 into x. What is the value of x? 2y minus 12 plus, the remaining terms are same. 3y is equal to 11. Clear? So 2 into 2y is equal to 4y minus 2 into minus 12 is equal to minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. 4y plus 3y is equal to 7y. Am I right? Which is equal to 11. This minus 24 taken to right side will be plus 24. Then 7y is equal to 11 plus 24 is equal to 35. That implies y is equal to 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is equal to 5. So the value of y we got. Now proceed with the step 3. Substituting for y in equation 3 to get, okay, equation number 3 we are going to substitute the value of y. So we get x equal to 2 into, in its place of y we are going to substitute 5 minus 12. So that is equal to 10 minus 12, which is equal to minus 2. So the solution is x equal to minus 2, y equal to 5. But the question is, find the value of m for which y equal to mx plus 3. So we have mx plus 3 is equal to y. I am writing the expression consists of m on left side, so because we have to find m. That implies m into what is x? X equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 3, which is equal to y is 5. Y is 5. So my m into minus 2 is equal to minus 2m, which is equal to 5 plus 3 taken to right side will be minus 2. Sorry, minus 3. Okay, minus 3. That implies minus 2m is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore, m is equal to 2. This minus 2 will be on denominator. So 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So the value of m is equal to minus 1. We obtained. So that's all about this question. Question number 3, option number 1. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Very simple question. So let the numbers, first we have to form the equation here. Let the numbers be x and y. Two numbers x and y. And out of this we are assigning x is the greater one and y is the smaller one, because one will be smaller and one will be greater. Okay. Then first condition is the difference between two numbers is 26. So in the first condition we get x minus y. The difference of these two numbers is equal to 26. Clear? Equation number 1. Second condition is one number is 3 times the other. That means x, the greater number x is 3 times of the other means y. Equation number 2. This is the one way we can write. In another way we can write that if we consider y is the greater number, then y minus x is equal to 26. This way also we can write. But the second equation also according to that. Y equal to 3x because y is the greater number. Clear? So either this way you can write, this way you can write. If you write like x minus y equal to 26 and if you have written y equal to 3x, that will be wrong. While you framing the equation from the situation, that is very important that the variable which you are assigned should be satisfied with the given condition. So by substitution method we are going to solve. Here one advantage we have that in equation number 2 that x is in terms of 3y. So step 1 we don't require here. We can directly substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1 because in equation number 2 x is written in terms of y. Substituting for x in equation 1 because from equation number 2 we are writing, okay, in equation number 2 the value of x is given or written in terms of y, so because we have to substitute in equation number 1 to get what will we get? X in place of x it will be 3y. 3y minus y is equal to 26. 3y minus y is equal to 2y is equal to 26. That implies y is equal to 26. This 2 will become on here divided by 2 which is equal to 30. The value of y we put. And what is the step 2? Now substituting for y in equation 2 we get x is equal to 3 into y. 3 into y. In value of y is 13. So 3 into 13 which is equal to 39. So the greater number is x, that is 39, smaller number is 13. Clear? Very simple one. Option 2, 3, 4 are very simple one which almost similar, we already discussed it. So you try yourself. Okay. Now I am taking option number 5 from the same question 3. This is very important question related to fraction. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, and if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Very simple one. So here we have to find the fraction. So let the fraction be x by 1. X is the numerator and y is the denominator because these two are variables. So we have to get both the value of numerator as well as denominator, then only we will get an entire fraction. So x by y is the fraction. Now come to the first condition given in the question, that is a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator as well as denominator. So if 2 is added to both the numerator as well as to the denominator, 2 is added to both the numerator and denominator, x plus 2 divided by y plus 2, then the fraction becomes 9 by 11. Cross multiply it, we will get 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. 11 into x is equal to 11x plus 2 into 11 is equal to 22. Clear? Which is equal to 9y plus 9 into 2 is equal to 18. So take this y to the left side and plus 28 to the right side. So we will get that implies 11x plus 9y will be minus 9y which is equal to 18 we are keeping here. Then plus 22 to the right side. So we will get a minus 22. Because if the question is asked to solve the equation, bring the terms which consist of variables to one side and those constant terms to another side. So that implies we will get 11x minus 9y is equal to 18 minus 22 is equal to minus 4. This is equation number 1. Then the second equation. What is the second condition given in the question here? If 3 added to both the numerator and denominator, that is x plus 3 and divide by y plus 3. 3 added to both the numerator and denominator. Okay, it becomes 5 by 6. Then again cross multiply. We will get a 6 into, okay, 6 into x plus 3. 6 into x plus 3, which is equal to 5 into y plus 3. Simplified, 6x plus 6 into 3 is equal to 18, which is equal to 5 into y, 5y, plus 5 into 3, 15. Now bring this 5y to left side and plus 18 to right side. So we will have 6x plus 5y will be minus 5y, which is equal to 15, plus 18 become minus 18. That implies 6x minus 5y, which is equal to 15 minus 18 is equal to minus 3, equation number 2. So now we have two equations that are 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4 and 6x minus 5y is equal to minus 3. Just solve this equation by substitution method, you will get the fraction. After getting the value of x and y, suppose you got x equal to one value and y is equal to another value, then put in the form x by y. You will get that fraction. Okay, that try yourself. So I already discussed some questions with how to solve equation by substitution method. So now you can try yourself and practice it, so that you will get familiar with the substitution method. Okay, so that try yourself. So the last question I am going to discuss in this video, that is question number 3, option number 6. 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times as that of his son. 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times as that of his son. What are their present ages? So that means we have to find the present ages. So first we set up the variable. Let the present age of Jacob be x years. X years. Obviously, the present age of his son be y years. Y years. We have set up the variables. Now come to the first condition, 5 years. That is the first condition given in the question. 5 years hence. The age of Jacob, that is x. Present age of Jacob is x. So 5 years hence his age will be x plus 5. His age will be increased by 5. Will be is equal to 3 times that of his son. That means 3 into age of his son will be 5, y plus 5. Age of his son also will be increased by 5. Simplify this one. X plus 5, which is equal to 3 into y, 3y, plus 3 into 5 is equal to 15. Now bring this 3y to left side and 5 to right side. So we will get x plus 3y will be minus 3y, which is equal to 15, plus 5 will be minus 5. That implies x minus 3y is equal to 10, equation number 1. Now come to the second situation given in the question. What is the second situation? 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was, that means his age was x minus 5. His age will be 5 less than the present age. Is equal to 7 times as that of his son. That means 7 into y minus 5. The age of his son also was 5 years less than the present age, because we are taking the condition 5 years ago. That is x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y, 7y, minus 7 into 5 is 35. Take this 7y to here and minus 5 to right side. So we will be getting x plus 7y will be minus 7y, which is equal to minus 35. Minus 5 will be plus 5. That implies x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5 is equal to minus 30. Equation number. So now also we got two equations. Just solve it by substitution method. Try to get the answer by yourself. So this is all about the substitution method. In some questions it will be very easiest way of solving the equations. In the next video I will discuss the elimination method. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.